Stereolithography, SLA, is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a 3D printing technology to create physical models or prototypes of products. This process involves the use of a laser to solidify a liquid resin, layer by layer, until the desired shape is achieved. SLA is a popular choice for creating prototypes because it is fast, accurate, and cost-effective. It allows manufacturers to test and refine their designs before committing to expensive production runs. SLA is particularly useful in the early stages of product development when design changes are frequent. It allows manufacturers to quickly create and test multiple iterations of a product, making it easier to identify and address design flaws. SLA is also useful for creating complex geometries that would be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional manufacturing methods. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom plastic components and assemblies. The company offers a wide range of services, including injection molding, blow molding, and thermoforming. SLA is a service that Berkness Company offers to its clients to help them bring their product ideas to life. By using SLA, Berkness Company can create accurate and detailed prototypes that allow clients to test and refine their designs before moving on to production. Berkness Company is committed to providing its clients with the highest quality products and services. The company has a team of experienced engineers and technicians who work closely with clients to understand their needs and develop customized solutions. If you are interested in learning more about SLA or any of the other services offered by Berkness Company, you can visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. There, you can fill out a form to request more information or schedule a consultation with one of the company's experts. With Berkness Company's expertise and commitment to quality, you can be confident that your product will be in good hands. FAQs. 1. What is stereolithography, SLA, and how does it work in manufacturing? Stereolithography, SLA, is a 3D printing technology that uses a laser to cure a liquid resin into a solid object layer by layer. The process starts with a 3D model that is sliced into thin layers, and the laser selectively cures the resin according to the design. The cured layers bond together to form a solid object. SLA is commonly used in manufacturing for prototyping, product development, and small-scale production. 2. What are the advantages of using SLA in manufacturing? SLA offers several advantages in manufacturing, including high accuracy and precision, smooth surface finish, and the ability to produce complex geometries. It is also a fast and cost-effective way to produce prototypes and small batches of parts. SLA can be used with a wide range of materials, including engineering plastics, elastomers, and composites, making it a versatile technology for various applications. 3. What are the limitations of SLA in manufacturing? SLA has some limitations in manufacturing, including limited build size, relatively low strength and durability compared to other manufacturing processes, and the need for post-processing to remove support structures and finish the surface. SLA is also not suitable for large-scale production due to its slow printing speed and high material cost. However, these limitations can be overcome by combining SLA with other manufacturing processes or using it for specific applications where its advantages outweigh its limitations. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.